Hello to everyone. You know that as how technology is changing, also devices which are used are changing day per day. So that is why today we are going to see tips for using to use strong password for certain devices. You see that here I have telephones, but apart from this telephone also I have a laptop or a computer. All of these devices, those are examples. Apart from those devices, there are also many devices which are requiring for using a password. But today we are going to show you how you can create strong password so that someone else who is not you will not be able to access the device. Password is a secret word which will be used to unlock or to enter in a system. So tips for creating a strong password. For creating a strong password, here we have good and easy method of creating a strong password as follows. The first one is think of a phrase that you can easily remember to create a strong password. This means you will be able to create a password but which will be simple to remember and which can be used in your life without any confusion. For instance, I am going to take an example as easy for the group academy run for better future, which means those are a phrase, but this phrase will not be used as a password because password at least must be having 8 words or 8 characters. If we say 8 words in terms of password, it must be A, B, C, D, E until to 8 characters. The second step, take the first letter of each word in our example. In our example, we have easy for the group academy running for better future. So which means if I am going to take just one word in this sentence, I will say that one character, the first character, I will say that for G, A, L, F, B, and F, which means this will be, I will say that I is easy, 4 is for the, G is group, A is academy, L is run, F is for, B is better, F is future. This is the second step. Then the third step is choose some letters and change them to number that match in shape. We know that most of the times if you use the password which is only characters or only numbers, you're using a strong password. Strong password at least must be having numbers, characters. If you need or you will be able to remember, you can include special characters like @ dot. Those are special characters which can be used in password. And remember, strong password must be having lower letters and capital letters. So we have used that. In our word, we have I, 4, G, A, L, F, B, F. So choose some letters and change them to number that match in shape. For example, you could change the letter to number. We are going to change letter I to number 2, which means everywhere there is I, and you will put number 2, and letter G to number 4. Everywhere there is a letter G, and you will replace it by 4. In our example, this change will result in 245 A, L, F, B, F, because you have changed I to 2 and G to 4. Then change some letters to lowercase. For example, in our case we have 245 A, L, F, B, F. Then I want to change some letters. We will take just most of the times you take the letters which are the same and you change it into small letters. One in small letters and another in capital letters. In our example, we have F to F, which means all of 2F are in capital letters. So those 2F which are in capital letters, we are going just to take one F and we put it in small letters. Change some letters to lowercase. This will result in 245 A, L, F in capital letter, B in capital letter, but F in small letter, which means you have changed just one letter in capital letter. So after this is 100% a strong password either way, but a strong password which cannot be accessed by everyone. NB, remember that don't share your password to anyone, even if he or she is your best friend. And remember, there is what you call social engineering. For social engineering, we will see it in next tutorial. But here to say that don't give your password to anyone. This is to make your password secret, because password exactly it is a secret word. So if you are going to take a secret word to anyone, this will not be a password. So try to make your password be your own. So the next chapter we are going to see, or next tutorial, we will see why do you need to change your password. Stay in touch, we are coming next